this recipe that I'm going to give you, just tell me thank you. Comment, like, subscribe, and share. I came by this recipe like almost 20 years ago when one woman told me in one of the associations that I belonged to. We had a party, and she just shared her experience, how she used to be sick. She was going to the hospitals and they couldn't really tell what was wrong with her. She wasn't my age mate, she was a bit older than me. I think that I was in my 30s. So she told me that this recipe saved her life, that she started taking this thing like in 6 months. She didn't even remember that she used to be sick and she used to frequent hospitals every now and then again. Then later on in my life, like maybe 10 years ago, I met an older woman who had experiences with breast lump and some health issues like that. This woman was in her 60s. She led me into the secret again, that this is what she has been using. The hospitals, they couldn't really identify what was wrong with her. At a point, they were almost suggesting that it could be cancer, and she didn't want to hear that word at all. Somehow, one of her sisters or someone, I can't remember exactly, told her about this recipe. She told me that like when she started using the recipe, she did not even know when all the symptoms vanished. Like in 6 months, she just realized one day that I haven't been sick in a while. Oh. So till that time, she told me that has been her go-to help, kind of. And why she was telling me, because she was trying to sell honey to me. She told me that she sells original honey because she had to source for original honey to be able to get this mixture right. Because if you go and venture to use honey that is not original, you know there's a lot of fake honey in the market, it will now cause another problem. She was swearing by everything that her honey is good. So that's how she gave me the recipe. I've had some experiences by people who have been using this. When it comes to menopause, where we're talking about inflammation, body pain, knee pain, psoriasis, you know, all those sorts of things that come with menopause. That's where I'm bringing in this recipe. What you do is that you take a glass of hot water this time, glass of hot water. Okay, this is what I do. You blend all these things together in equal quantity. Turmeric, black pepper, just a few, like a quarter teaspoon to this measurement, or to this measurement that I'm holding. A quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Add turmeric, ginger, equal quantity. Blend it together, and now use honey to mix it. This natural honey to mix it. So you have, you know, when you blend it together, this is what you get. It's something like this, you can see. So you blend it and just store it in your fridge. Even when you don't store it in the fridge, if you did not add water, if water did not touch it, nothing will happen to it. You mix it very well like this. And every morning you take one deep full teaspoonful into a glass of hot water. Do the same morning and night. That will give you 2 teaspoons morning and night you drink. It helps to curb inflammation. So whatever you are doing, whatever you are taking, whatever vitamins you are taking, you are trying to eat right, the right food, you add this recipe to it so that you can see results. Then you can filter it and drink, but I don't have a filter now, so I'll just drink it like that. The only challenge here is that because it's turmeric, it might stain your teeth for some time, but after some time it will clear. So you can use straw to drink out of it to avoid the stains on your teeth. But what most people do is the capsule form. You know, you can go and buy the encapsulated form and be taking. It's all about the turmeric But you know, turmeric on its own will not do much if you don't add black pepper. They say black pepper is what activates it. And but I like my own natural things because most of the time I react to the gelatin that they use in making the capsule. So I prefer my own natural things. After some time, I will scrub my teeth with add maybe baking soda to whiten my teeth again. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.